Session interrupted by the XInput 1364 DLL pop-up. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. It's time to resync your libraries and clear that crash for good.
As we prepare the manual solution for XInput 1364, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the XInput 1364, the 64-bit Common Controller Input Library, XInput. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of gamepad inputs, facilitating the hardware data link for the gaming manifest.
With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again.
This error usually stems from an incomplete graphics environment affecting XInput 1364 DLL. You should reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to repair legacy gaming libraries, while also updating your GPU drivers to resolve any compute-related or OpenGL issues.
When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets.
If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the XInput 1364 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later.
Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files.
Please keep in mind that manual replacement of XInput 1364 DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability.
Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility.
For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to XInput 1364. To support our technical team and receive updates on XInput 1364 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.